Come here. All right, buddy. Good boy.
You always claim things. It is day.
All right.
What day is it with owning the Tundra?
Well, that's a different video now, buddy. We're on a different video. All right, hey, what's up, everyone?
What's up, viewers?
Welcome back to the channel.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
This is my boys right there. We are getting ready to go to...
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
We are going to go off-roading today. Take the Tundra out. And we're going to meet up with a couple of buddies of mine. And we're going to go hit a local trail not too far away. Right, guys?
Yeah.
These guys wanted to roll too.
At the stop sign, turn right.
All right, so we're gonna get some quick breakfast. Supposed to meet everybody up at 8 o'clock, so we're running late. But I gotta feed these guys before we hit the trail. So, anyways, I'll check back in when we get to the trailhead, and we'll go from there.
In 5.1 miles, turn left onto South Campus Drive.
Alright, so we're here at the trailhead over at Cleghorn. About to air down. It's been a while since I've been here. I used to come here every weekend when I got the 4Runner, just to feel that 8-track kick in. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and air down. All right, just air down, chatted with my friends for a little bit.
Check.
Copy. You lead. All right, so just air down. Having some radio problems because I don't have my Midland. But we about to head out. Used to go up this in the 4Runner.
Are you gonna try any of these out?
I think I'll try this. Oh wait, looks kind of hella rutted.
Yeah, Cleghorn's gotten a little crappy, but hey, let me get out and grab a camera.
mean, I want to, but
no point in.
I don't think the truck's ready yet.
So you can do it. You're just gonna hit some shit.
Yeah.
And then, so I figure, like, what's the point? You know?
Yeah.
It's not worth it. We all know.
Part of me wants to, but
We all know that you can do this backwards.
oh yeah,
Backwards.
even this side right here.
This side.
Yeah, we used to
Now,
come.
once you're ready, I bet you can take that side. No
Yeah.
problem.
All right, so we just left the tower. I thought that would have been probably one of the obstacles that I can take, but man, over the years, looks pretty brutal. Definitely don't feel comfortable in taking the Tundra up there in its stock form, but once I get a lift and some tires, maybe sliders, then I'll probably come back and try to hit that. Look at it. It says immediately check tire when safe.
Where?
Okay. So it's been like probably almost 5 years since I've been on this trail. And I've hit almost every obstacle here in the 4Runner. But it looks different.
Or was it up this thing?
We went down this
yeah,
way.
That's right.
So this right here is new.
Yeah, that's.
This section.
Yeah. This little section is new. Easy, easy, easy. Just slowly though. Back it up just a tad bit. Tad bit. Keep going. Keep going. A little more. Okay. Now turn it a little more right and then go back.
It's getting really cold here.
Boom. There you go. Done.
Keep going.
You're good. Hi. Easy, easy. Hi. Can I get it right back?
Let's do it. Time for some pinstripes.
Yeah, I worked on it.
So that was my very first
It had to be the
obstacle. It wasn't too bad.
I removed the elephant out of there.
Got high centered, hit the fuel tank up there, scraped my rear bumper. So it's all good. I'll feel a little more comfortable with the lift and tires. So, but right now, you know, I just kind of want to see how it does in its stock form, like I said earlier. So we're just taking it easy.
Ah, who put a rock there, dude? That's easy, easy. There you go. Or don't take it easy. Dude, somebody put a fucking rock there. That's cheating.
Go that way.
Oh, three-wheeling. Ow! Yeah. Where did he go? He went that way? No, he's right here. You're good. No, over the rock. No,
He went up on the rock.
Over the rock. You went on it? Do you have a slider on?
You're about to go up it.
You're about to go up that rock. You gonna clear it when we come down though? That's why. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe just back up and go this.
Back up and probably shoot up this way.
Yeah.
That's why I was checking for sliders.
Dude, this is a huge spot over there.
You guys, car's gonna come. Go passenger.
Behind me. Get behind me. Passenger hard.
Yeah.
There you go.
Straight up.
Straight. There you go. No problem.
There you go.
No. So once you clear this groove, and when you clear it, there's going to be a little dip. Okay. Same shit to the right. To the right. Just keep going straight. Going straight. Just go straight, right?
All right, so we're here at the lookout point. This is overlooking Silverwood Lake, or is it Silver Lake? I can't remember. But yeah, we're just taking a little lunch stop. JJ was making sandwiches. Yeah, this is Cleghorn. Was hoping to get more video, you know, especially of me going up that obstacle, but you know, I didn't have a camera guy. I tried to have my son do it, but I don't think he got anything good. But we'll see when I try to edit the video. But check this out. Look at all these pinstripes. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Oh yeah.
That'd be cool.
Thank you.
That'd be cool. If you...
Quick little break. Back on the trail, making our way down, I think. Yeah. Mr. Gene with the Wifey Air System.
Damn it, Al, when are you gonna install my Wifey Air?
It's been how many years, man, and I still haven't. Let's do it.
Yeah, whatever. I got this thing to install in the car instead of the ARB.
Yeah, get that mounted and we'll do the.
What's going underneath?
I'll do the hose.
You do the hose?
I'll do the hose.
You take care of the
later.
hose for me? You're gonna be sexy hose.
Yep, so we're done. Done with Cleghorn. Now we're airing up.
Guess what?
Gene with the
Buddy.
Air Up a Buddy kit. We'll airing 5 tires at the same time. Back on the road. Time to go home. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Later.
Bye, viewers. Bye.